Hi guys, it's Nunu and I'm here with you in English 103. We are in home. Let's see what we have on our bulletin board for this week. We have week 4 in modules, January 27th through February 2nd, 2020. We are just 1 week away from the end of the semester. This week we have 2 MLA quizzes and Critical Thinking Essay 4. Critical Thinking Essay 4 is about the White Rose Group, and this is a group that opposed Hitler. I have a Plato quote below that I think does apply to them. And gosh, I find this photograph of the 3 members of the White Rose Group here very moving, and maybe you will too as you read more about the White Rose Group this week. Okay, we do have 2 other assignments due. We have the Your Thinking assignments due January 31st, 2020. And let's click on these first and see where they're located in modules. They're right at the top right here. These do not require research. They do require intense thinking about logos, pathos, and ethos, or logos, pathos, and ethos. 1,000 words, 70 points. About this topic, they do include peer evaluations. Please make sure you complete these by January 31st. And we also have a writing about self-control, 1,000 words, 70 points, and it is due January 31st. Okay, I'm going to click on the back arrow, and that will take us back into home. I'm going to click on week 4. Our regular work for the semester is right here. And we have the Critical Thinking Essay 4 on the White Rose Group. Let me remind you that it has 2 due dates, and these due dates you're familiar with. Part 1, the essay is due Thursday by 11:59 p.m. It is 100 points. The directions are here. Read them very carefully. And then we have Part 2, which is due Sunday by 11:59 p.m., 20 points, and it's respond to 4 of your peers' postings. And as always, there's a word count, 125 words, half a page for each response, for a total of 500 words, 2 pages. Okay, and this is, of course, our 1,000-word, 4-page essay in Part 1. This is how we make up a 1,500-word word count. As you know, this class has a 10,000-word required word count. Okay, I am scrolled back up to this photo I find so moving of the White Rose Group, these young people who sacrificed their lives to oppose Hitler. Okay, if you have any questions or concerns, I'm here in inbox. If you think you'll be late with an assignment, please be sure to communicate with me. And let's go back into home. Let me remind you that our late policy is here, and please be sure to follow it. Thank you. Have a great week.